A lot of you have expressed an interest to learn Uchimata, right? But Uchimata in its traditional form is actually a very advanced technique. It's a very complex technique. So I'm going to show you a variation of it, right? The traditional Uchimata, the leg entry is very, very difficult for a beginner because, for example, one version is the catch up, right? To catch up, quite difficult for a lot of beginners. Another one is the spin, also difficult to do. And then the hop in. That one also, for beginners, is really difficult. The gripping is also difficult because where a lot of beginners fail is that their arms fail to work, right? So an easier version, a rudimentary version for you to start off with, for you to try, is from an Ogoshi version, right? From Ogoshi grip, which you guys practiced just now, right? You do the same thing like Ogoshi, except this time you specifically aim to put your right leg, in the case of most of you except for Mane, you put your right leg in between. Okay, not in front like Ogoshi, but you actually aim to go in between Nigel's legs. Okay, once you're securely in between his legs, then you come in and then you lift. Okay, you use your hands and your hips. Okay, so this is very much a hip technique. Okay, just like Ogoshi, except you come in here, so you securely place this first. You don't have to be fast. Come in here, when you're ready, come in and you can lift, right? Like Ogoshi. Except you lift your leg as well. This will teach you to lift your leg. Use your arms as well. Okay? Then when you're ready to throw. Okay? So this will be easier for you guys than doing the traditional Uchimata where it's very difficult for beginners. I think you do the traditional one when you're more advanced. For now, do like Ogoshi. Step in first. When you're ready, come in. Okay, so 1, 2. But the first, don't rush. Don't rush. A lot of beginners will tend to boom boom really fast. You don't have to go fast. Step in first. When you feel ready, this one lift. Come in. Okay, same time. And then you do like an Ogoshi, but you lift your leg.
But the leg is between the two legs, not like Ogoshi.
You'll be like this, and you'll be catching up.
I mean the last step, between the legs,
lift up. Lift up. Yeah, technically raising your, yeah, you're raising your hip.